everybody, it's Nick. So today's the day we're going to install the Tomei unequal length headers. I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait to hear what it sounds like. And then eventually, sooner or later, we're going to go ahead and do the Killer B. We're going to check that out and see how it goes. But for now, let's go get the Tomei unequal length headers installed, and then hopefully my tuner gets back to me as soon as possible before I take off.
6 hours later.
I've been driving the car for about like 10 minutes now with the Tomei unequal length headers, and honestly it sounds pretty great. I love it. It sounds fantastic. It took them a while to do it just because they ran into some complications with a couple of the bolts. They got stripped and they wouldn't come off, and they ended up doing my spark plugs too while they were at it, and an oil change. So I was there for quite a while, from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. And they're really good mechanics. You got to check them out. If you're in Michigan, they're called Precision Motors, Farmington Hills, and they're honestly great. Good crew. Dennis is the owner. He's a hell of a guy. Definitely hooked me up. I've been boys with him for about, I want to say 9 years. If you have any questions for him, look them up, Precision Motors in Farmington Hills, and definitely give them a call. They usually handle mainly high-end cars like, Lamborghini, Ferrari, BMWs. They also specialize in Supra, stuff like that. If you have any questions for them, just give them a call. Actually, let me get you guys their number, and give them a call whenever you're ready. Sorry. Alright. Precision Motors. I don't know if you guys can let that focus. Precision Motors.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn!
And their phone number is 248-381-8200. And they are located 38410 Grand River Avenue, Farmington Hills.